Hey world, it's Brianna Cobb here. I know a lot of people have been skeptical about entering the trucking industry. Rates have been fluctuating up and down. The market's been crazy over the past few weeks, but honestly, there's no better time than now to get into commercial freight and transportation because as a dispatcher, you're able to service so many people that are actually in need of your services. So if you excel at customer service, sales, marketing, you know industry experts in trucking and transportation, and you're ready to take that next step towards your own business or dispatching company, make sure that you sign up for the Dispatch Mastery course. In it, I break down how I started dispatching a single hotshot CDL truck to expanding to dispatch over 4 crude oil trucking companies in Texas. If you guys are interested and willing to learn how to dispatch step by step with self-paced, online, unlimited access, make sure you sign up for the Dispatch Mastery course and reach out to me with any questions at support@luxurylogistics.com.